Description: award-winning, intensely nourishing conditioner hydrates and restores parched hair for softer, shinier strands. Benefits: color safe, vegan, sulfate-free, without SLS, SLES, ALS, paraben-free, gluten-free. Suggested use: after shampooing, apply a small amount. Massage. Rinse. For best results, use with Clean Beauty Hydrate Shampoo. Top reviews from the United States. Great conditioner. Most moisturizing conditioners strip my hair of moisture. They are so drying. Not this conditioner. It is moisturizing. I love it. So soft and shiny. My hair has never been this soft and shiny. I'm genuinely amazed. I love this and I'm never going back to my old brands.